Hello from Kata Noi Beach in Phuket Island, Thailand. We have a cloudy day today, mostly, with few rays of sunshine here and there. And it is a nice and warm day to be on the beach. And Kata Noi is not as crowded compared to Kata Beach and Karon Beach that are nearby. And I have already shown you one episode from this beach, and now you can see it once again. So Thailand is full of greenery all around. As you can see, all around the beach there is green areas. You can see the trees and the forests around, and the most beautiful sea, Andaman Sea, that is actually part of the Indian Ocean. So I have my hat on and my sunglasses, mostly because the sun is also radiating through the clouds. I have noticed as I have become sunburned the previous 2 days. Today is a bit better, I think, and I got already sun lotion. So let's then get going and enjoy the nice waves, as previously I was crushed by a huge wave. Check out that episode as well. But this part of the beach is not so crowded at all. As you can see, I usually choose this type of spots as it's quite easier and more calmer. And look at the waves. Very strong waves indeed. Oh yes, please. It looks like we're gonna have some fun with the waves. I'm not sure why they're over here. But as you can see, there are lots of people on the other side, and I didn't see any sign that it's not allowed to swim here also. So I'm just gonna go in. And I am reading there are many signs all around the area here in Phuket about tsunami evacuation zones. So it looks like there has been some tsunamis here in the past. So yeah, hopefully there won't be any in the near future. Yes, so I'm staying at Karon Beach, at Karon Village more specifically, and I have walked all the way here earlier today. It took me a total of 5 kilometers as I was walking towards the very end of the beach. The beach itself, it's around 1 kilometer long. And now we have a big wave coming in, which means that we will need to dive in. Yep, hit by a wave. Hit by a wave, and another one is coming, so bear with me as we are defending the waves. Okay, not as huge as I thought that it would be. Why there are so many people on the other side and none here? Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, fun with the waves today, indeed. Look at that. So yes, another beach adventure from Thailand. I hope you enjoy the episodes here from Thailand, and I'm going to explore a lot more beaches in the upcoming days. However, tomorrow and a total of 3 days I will be away to 2 or 3 other countries in Southeast Asia, and at one of them I believe I can go for a swim, for a beach adventure. At the other it won't be possible, but there will be some sightseeing stuff maybe. So yes, I just really want to experience a bit more while I'm here in Southeast Asia, as it is my first time here. And I will definitely be coming back to this paradise, as there are a lot more countries here to explore. And I'm already planning similar trip for next year, where I'm going to be flying to Thailand, and then I'm going to be exploring other countries as well. So I'm really looking forward to. All right, let's wrap up as no more waves are coming in, as you can see. But the view is definitely stunning indeed. So I'm gonna be showing you a bit more. And of course, it's gonna be looking a lot better, this place, if there was sun. But hey, the sun will be here some of the days, as I'm here for 11 more days, is it? Yes. So total of 14 nights, 15 days, of which only 12 days in Thailand and 3 days in 2 other countries, or 3, that I'm gonna show you as well. Okay, now we have a wave finally. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, it crashed a bit further down. So I'm not really sure, but this part of the beach is very empty. I'm not sure why is that, but I really love it. I really, really do. All right, let's then wrap up this episode from Kata Noi Beach. And I think I'm gonna head to Karon Beach and not wait for the sunset here, as it looks like it's not going to be a nice sunset with the clouds. So I'm gonna maybe see the sunset at Karon Beach, but let's see. It's to be decided yet. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Kata Noi, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.